This is Club George VIP, sponsored by Cubana Libre. Here we are in Huntington Beach. I just arrived minutes ago. In another miraculous move by Yahweh, the Holy Spirit, and the Son of God, Jesus himself, I got a parking spot. Now you go figure the logistics of that. How is it that the parking lot is full to overflowing? There's cones in front, but his slave gets a parking spot. Unbelievable. That's right. Jesus taking care of even the parking spot. This is Club George VIP, sponsored by Cubana Libre, the feminist revolution. What is Cubana Libre? Well, the most exclusive cigars on the planet. Cigars hand rolled by the Cuban master himself, and the tobacco comes straight from Cuba, from Pinar del Rio, which is the best tobacco on the planet. That's right. These sticks are hand rolled by the Cuban master himself with tobacco from Pinar del Rio. That's every part of the stick. 100% Cuban tobacco rolled by the master himself. Cubana Libre is the feminist revolution. What do we mean? Ladies, we support your bid for the Oval Office in 2024. Trump Owens, Owens Trumps. Yeah, Trump Owens, Owens Trump. The president and vice president for 2024 for this great nation. That's right. It's the greatest nation on the planet, bar none. Daddy, you're up in heaven right now, but I thank you so much for bringing me to this country back in the day. We arrived here in '64, we're immigrants, and you guys welcomed us with open arms. My hometown, Beverly Hills, California. That's right. We lived in Beverly Hills. We immigrated to Beverly Hills. Imagine that. Anyway, back to you ladies. We saw you ladies crying in your suit when Hillary lost. That's right, ladies. It's time to get energized, organized, and gain that momentum that you're going to need to get a lady in the Oval Office. Not this round. You'd have to be retarded to replace this president. He's given you the best economy in the world, the best military in the world, the lowest unemployment, the least people on food stamps. I'm telling you, this kid is on fire. Trump will go down in history as one of the greatest presidents to have ever lived, right alongside with George Washington, Lincoln, Reagan, these iconic presidents that loved their country and gave their best, keeping us safe, identifying the elephants in the room that we were getting crushed by. That's right, taking on radical Islamic terror around the world, squashing the caliphate. He's done a number. He's done a number, and he's even promising to take us out of Afghanistan in a big way. He's already taken us out of Syria. This guy is my president. Hey, people out there. It's time to protect your heritage. That's right. When we can have a nouveau bigot call up Nike and take our original flag off the shelves because it offends them, there's something wrong. This round, we're going to identify the nouveau bigots. We're going after you, that's right. Yeah, you were marginalized. They were prejudiced against your forefathers, not you. And right now, the pendulum is swung all the way to the left, and you're insisting on squashing our heritage, destroying our national monuments. We have members of Congress that are anti-Semitic, and they're allowed to remain in Congress. We're going after you guys. That's right. We're not putting up with this stuff anymore. Last time we identified the elephants in the room, immigration, radical Islam. This time we're going after you nouveau bigots. You're on notice. We're not going to take it anymore. This is the home of the brave, the land of the free. We're going to keep our God. We're going to keep our guns. We'll never be socialist. We'll never be communist. So get over yourselves. This is Club George VIP, sponsored by Cubana Libre. On this birthday of our country, happy birthday, United States, the best country in the world. That's right. The world respects us again. We don't have some nancy-pansy guy running around apologizing for being American, bending over for everyone. We don't have a wannabe president that sold out our country and gave Russia, our biggest competitors in the military race, our uranium, our stake in uranium, that ended up with the Iranians. You've gone after our president with his false narrative and you keep pushing it. I tell you what, don't be surprised when the pendulum swings the opposite way and all you bad actors, especially you guys in our intelligence agencies, end up at Guantanamo. All I can say is you low-level guys, if you don't roll over on your handlers, you know what's going to be happening? You're not going to be at the 7-star resort in Guantanamo. There's a big barge waiting for you. That's right, a converted garbage barge. That's where you subordinates are going to go. And as you're shivering under that blanket trying to keep warm on that converted garbage barge off the coast of Guantanamo, you'll remember these words and they'll ring true. I should have rolled over on my handler. Don't be dumb. Take them out. It's either you or them. As far as the opioid crisis, let's be real. We're in Afghanistan for one reason, and that's for opium. We've got the Taliban guarding the opium fields, and our troops are guarding the Taliban. Let's get real, guys. You want to squash the opium trade? Burn the fields. Don't guard them. Anyway, it's a moot point right now that fentanyl is on the market. It's cheap to make. Why are you guarding these worthless fields? As long as we allow the intelligence agencies to self-fund through drugs, arms, and trafficking of humans, we're wrong. And the president is coming after all of you cabalies. You cabalies are done. Mark my words. It was your round. You were going after the president? No, he was trolling for you, Bubba. You were chiming in, trying to take him down. Well, there's a sealed indictment. Don't be surprised if you're running around with a kill switch on you, because they captured and released you because they're coming after the rest of them. Over 80,000 sealed indictments. The tribunals are going to begin soon. This is Club George VIP, sponsored by Cubana Libre, the feminist revolution. Jesus rules.